So just installed the Roadlok for the Husqvarna 901 Norden Expedition, and I thought I'd show you how it works. It's a pretty impressive system. So the way it works is that this system here attaches on where the caliper is. You used fixed spacers that are designed for different types of bikes, so you have different sizes of them and a longer bolt. And then this piece here hovers over your disc and shoots a pin in that will lock the bike. So let me show you how that works. So you pull off the water seal, and that's where the key is. And you put your key in, and that will take out the slug, which is this piece here. You take this nifty piece here that's spring loaded, and you put it in all the way, lock it back up again, take the key out, and there you go. It has shot a pin right through the disc, and there's absolutely no way to budge the bike. And there's nothing that'll damage the disc like the old disc locks. Very slick.